And that's it. Building boost in the Dodge. Michael Epps. On the rear end, I do believe. Recovery, Stephen Farms, Lynn, Comer Cattle Company, Union City, Indiana, M&A Lawn Care here at Lynn, Reynolds Equipment Company in Muncie, Indiana, Shawnee Electric, Union City, Union Go Dairy in Modoc, Burton Excavating and Glass Components Incorporated, and Van Notes Wrecker Service, all of Winchester. Plus the Oswald Funeral Home in Winchester. Blyle Excavating and Farm Drainage, Redder Farms, both here in Lynn. IMI, E&B Paving, Sickle and Sons Farms, Winchester, Cardinal Ethanol, Union City, Indiana, Merchants Bank of Indiana, Lynn and Spartansburg, Comer Trucking, Union City. Special thanks out to Black Sheep Announcing, Singer Farms, Selective Farms, Brewer Sound, Singer Sled Rental, Dark County Tractor Pullers Association, JMS Pull Pinch for donating the 2 pictures for the raffle. Union City, Ohio. There is your points leader. 3, 2, 7, and 10. Good enough for number 2. New Madison, Ohio runs out of Preble Diesel Performance Shop of John Danner. We're back. Goes to the Beal Girls Trust Fund. Jason Cook out of West Manchester, out of J&J Performance. The Ford. Kaboom! Turbo boom. 43 even. Now closed. Building boost. Mason Cartwright Botkins with the Dodge. Oh, it shifted gears on him. And he lost all points. Derek Bondahar, 168. Tylen Reynolds, 167. Darren Balmer, 160. That'd be your top 3. Then Ross Shepard, Brian Holscher, Tom Severance, Brandon Moneybreak, Rob Haskell, Scott Patterson, and Bob Boucher. Them are the 9,000 pound. truck class. Here's another guy that's had trouble with the bounces in his truck. He's got them worked out. Now he's getting the horse. Well, I say he got them worked out.